Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Samsung Galaxy J5 2016, for the first you have to open the application that you want to use. So I'm going for the Play Store, and also I will open the messages, and I think that I can open the gallery. And right now all we have to do is just to click here on this button, and from the background applications we have to tap on this icon to split our screen, and of course we can select the second application that we choose. So I'm going for the messages, and right here with this switcher we can also adjust the size of the application, and if you want to close it you can also just swipe like that. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.